And the award goes to
It's Juice Farm at Rolex 80.
Alright, I think one more award they got. So I request the tag team to please quickly come up on the stage and take your trophy. And congratulations for winning the title of Best Tractor above 60 HD. So very much. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Actually, this difficult name I know for India. So I'm here since 7 years, so I heard many pronunciations.
Trust me, we have many more
the correct
names
one
than
it
you
is
do.
Maschio, but also Mascio, it is accepted.
It's Maschio, right?
Yeah, Maschio.
Well, keep it this mind.
Thank
Okay, so I think let's not take the responsibility on our head. Let's hand over it to you. And congratulations, gentlemen, once again for winning this trophy for the different category. But seems like you're going to come again and again on stage.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ
The award for this category goes to the Captain 250 DI 4-wheel drive.
Well, congratulations. Congratulations for winning the title of Orchid Tractor of the Year 2019. Also, I would like to call the team members of KP Crisil, MP Jagran and Krishi Jagran. I request the team members to please come up on the stage. Before we announce the awardee name, I think we need to see the nomination first. Can we have the nomination, please?
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Tractor of the Year Award 2019. And the nominations are for Sunman 6000, Sonalika Sikandar Series, New Holland 3600 TX, PowerTrack Euro 50, Dudes Farm Agrolux 80 Profiline.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, can you all make a guess who's going to win this title? And I must say win the year? Huh? I think PowerTrack team is announcing their own name. Smart. How about the New Holland? They are not going to say anything. They are like, we are proven winner. We don't say, we prove. Oh my God. So I think let me kill the suspense. And I'm going to, this is the name which I'm holding right now with me. And I think, sir, both of you hold this responsibility. Hold the mic. I'm just going to change for the winner. Let's see.
PowerTrack Euro 50.